Hey there, Bravo here, and in this video, you're going to learn how to edit stocks and variants. Whether you're updating prices, turning off SKUs you're no longer using, or adding new values to something you already carry. Let's jump in. There are two ways to get to the stocks and variants page. You can head to System Configurations from the right side menu and click Stocks and Variants. Or you can do this from Stock Management by clicking Stock and Variants right from the side menu. From the Stocks and Variant page, you can search by SKU, UPC, or just the item's description. Anything that matches your search will load right into this grid. If there's a check mark under the Enabled column, that means the SKU is active. Need to turn it off? Just uncheck the box. Want to make changes to the stock? Double-click right on it. You'll see a few fields in light gray. Those spaces are editable. You can update the price and MSRP and also mark the SKU as to be listed online. Once you're good with the updates, click Done to lock it all in. Now, if you see a check mark in the Variant column, that means this SKU has variants. To view or update those, head to the bottom left corner and click Edit Variant. Type in the new variant you want to add, and then hop over to the Variant Listing tab. To create a new SKU for the variant, click the checkbox and head to the right side menu and click Assign SKU. You'll be met with three options. Assign to existing stock, which is perfect for if you've already have a parent stock created in your store and you're just linking this variant to it. Create new stock, which will open the stock setup screen up so you can build a brand new parent SKU from scratch. And create with a catalog lets you browse the catalog and assign a SKU from there. Just a heads up, if you already have a SKU in your store with the same info, this will create a second copy. Choose an option that fits your workflow, and in this case, I'm going to add this to an existing stock. I'm going to search for my parent stock here. Click Add. If you have more variants you need to attach to a parent SKU, just repeat those steps for each of the variants. When you're done, click Next, then Save, and that's it. You're all set. If you've got questions, check out our Solution Center, ask Judy, or give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.